students, today we are doing the questions from HOTS and objective moves in this class. So let us look at the first question, that is from HOTS. The question is, PU counted 2100 cows and buffaloes. If she counted 6 cows for each buffalo, okay, if she counted 6 cows for each buffalo she counted, find how many more cows did she count than buffaloes. So this is very clear that for one buffalo 6 cows are used. That means if I will take the number of buffaloes as x, the number of cows will be 6 times of it. So that will be my first step. Okay, so let the number of buffaloes be x, then number of cows equal to, it is telling 6 cows. For one buffalo 6 cows are there, the number of cows equal to 6 times of x, that is equal to 6x. Okay, this is the first thing that you are writing. Means we are actually taking any variable. If you don't want to take x, you can take a or b, anything as you wish. Okay, you have to just give a name to it. What is the number? It is unknown. How many buffaloes are there? How many cows are there? That is unknown. What thing is known to us? That is the total number of cows and buffaloes. This thing is known to us. So what we are going to do, you write here the next step, that is given total number of cows and buffaloes equal to 2100. This is given to you in the question. So in a way we can say, if the cows is 6x, buffalo is x. Okay, so what we will write the next step? As per question, on adding this two, x plus 6x equal to 2100. This implies 7x equal to 2100. Okay, so this is the type of equation type question that you have to solve. Understood? Now I think this thing is completely new for you. Let me tell you what is the concept here. X is an unknown thing, but it is multiplied with 7, because x plus 6x means what? Like we add 1 plus 6 is what? If I say x means it is actually not x. It is 1 into x. 1 is hidden in the x. So this 1 is added with 6 and it is making 7. So it becomes 7 common here, because x is common in both the case. So x is taken common and added with 1 here. 6 is added with 1 from here. So it becomes 7x. Okay. Or you can write it in this way, that x common 1 plus 6. So that is equal to what? X into 7 or equal to 7x. That is what we wrote at a time, 7x equal to 2100. Now further, if we want to solve this, how we will find the value of x? If you don't find the value of x, how can we find what is the number of buffaloes and cows? So we need to find x. Here one thing that I will tell you, multiplication and division are opposite of each other. Okay, whenever we deal with such kind of questions, what happens is we have to solve for x, means x has to be kept alone. in this line you see 7 is the extra thing that has to be removed from x in order to get the value of x. How can we remove 7 from here? We have to shift 7 to this side. For that, what do we have to do? We have to change the operation. Here 7 is multiplied with x. Means what? It is multiplication. It is showing multiplication. But when it goes to other side, then it becomes what? It becomes division. So if I will say this is your multiplication, or I give the symbol because no place is here. So if I will say this is multiplication which is shown here, when it goes to the other side, it becomes what? Division. This thing you have to remember. So what it is getting divide with 2100, you have to divide 7. With 2100, you have to divide 7 here. Here 7 is multiplied here. Here it will become division. So it will. So the next step will be 2100 divided by 7. So after division, what we will get the value of x? X will become how much? X will become 2100 divided by 7 is 300. Now you can easily take out the number of buffaloes and cows. Therefore, number of buffaloes equal to 300, and why 300? Because it is x, na? X, na? That is why 300 we have written. And what is the number of buffaloes? Number of cows, sorry. Number of cows equal to, it is 6 times of x. So 6 into 300. Okay, here you write 6x. So that is equal to what? It is 1800. I hope you all have understood this question. Okay, this is coming under hot section in your exercise. Let us move to the next, that is objective moves. In objective moves, let us move to the first question. A car covers 3150 kilometers in a week. In a week means how many days? It is 7 days. So in 7 days the car is covering 3150 kilometers. Question is, how much does it, what distance does it cover in a day? Okay, so you have to divide by 7. Which one? 3150 divided by 7. Next is, if it travels the same distance every day. So just you have to do the division. So 3150 divided by 7. Whatever answer, you check with the options. You have 4 options with which it is matching. That will give you the answer. Next question is, you have rupees 32,736 is divided among 93 workers equally. What is the share of each? Here also you see the rupees, how much? That is 32,736. It has to be divided among how many workers? Among 93 workers. So what we will do? We have to just do the division. That is 32,736 divided by 93. After that you see from the 4 options which option is giving you the answer. That you have to check. Okay. Let us come to question number C, bit C. 16,425 rubber trees were planted for natural rubber in 45 rows. How many trees are there in each row if there are equal number of trees in each row? So here also you have to just do the division. That is 16,425 rubber trees divided by 45. So this will give you the correct, which option is correct, that you have to check. Option D. Anant jogged how much? 5,160 meters in an hour. How many meters does he jog in 1 minute? So here you have to convert 1 hour into minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, Anant is jogging how much? 5,160 kilometers. But if he has to jog in 1 minute, how much? So you have to divide 5,160 divided by 60. Okay. So I hope you all have understood these questions, how to solve. Simple division is shown in objective moves. Okay, so you can do it, a simple division. Okay, now you see next question. Circle the correct quotient in each of the following. One is done for you. Okay, circle the quotient means it is talking about in the first case. Okay, you see 560 divided by 80. Okay, what is the correct quotient? So you see 7 and 8, two options are given. So out of which 7 is coming correct. So circle is done on 7. So similarly, you have to proceed with option B, bit B, C and D in the same way. Okay, so with this we have completed the questions from HOTS and objective moves. Okay, I hope you all have understood the process, and I need you all to do these questions in your notebook neatly. Okay, thank you.